put the screw back. You want to do this?
Don't talk to me like that. It's still up there. What is that?
Yeah, I already knew I wasn't gonna loosen it.
Spider-Man. Bro.
What? Is that spider right there?
Is that a spider? Where's the spider?
Y'all
It's
quit
up
playing.
there. I can kill it. I can kill it.
They out here trying to threaten my life.
It's one
Where's
of
it
these.
at now? What's the little weapon? Oh, I see
You
it.
have no leverage.
Are y'all videoing?
Yep.
Oh, so you know what to do?
If I go
Well,
up,
it's also gonna go on my channel.
go up.
Nah.
She making a video?
What it do, DG, out in the wild doing what I do, making a life I love and enjoy while building a business with my clients. Because that's what I do, live deliciously.
What it do, friends? So, I have a friend of mine who I asked to show me how to do an oil change myself. For two reasons I wanted to know how to do it myself and actually kind of learn the process. Number one, when I take it to a shop, because yes, after this I'm going to be taking it to a shop, because after we did the math, it only saved about maybe $20. So yeah, I'll be taking it to a shop. However, I want to know what I'm looking at when I'm looking, because whenever I take it to a shop, I will typically look through whatever window, or I'll stand outside the bay and I'll watch them like I know what I'm looking at, but I don't. And I'm just like, I don't know if they're doing it right or not. You know what I'm saying? And then, especially if it's a situation where I have to go to, like, I don't know, Wally World. And if anybody know where's, is it Brittany channel, after hearing.
Feel sick to my stomach. Like I came in for an oil change. Why am I on the side of the road?
After hearing her situation, and I've heard a couple of other times, Walmart, they'll just forget to put the oil back in your car. So I will typically wash them. So, but I wanted to know what was going on besides, you know, they need to put new oil in the car. I know that they need to, you know, take the old oil out or whatever, but, you know, yeah. So, but the reason for this is because, and why I'm coming to you this week, is because car maintenance is so important. I'm fortunate to have a newer car, so I don't have any issues, but I don't want to have any issues because I've had good cars and didn't do the maintenance and paid the price for it. You've got to do your maintenance. Whatever your car is recommended. I know, so for whatever reason, the new Hyundais, they're recommended at 7,500 miles. I still do it at about 5,000 miles. It just feels right to me. So, yeah, I'm going to continue to do that. But whatever your car is recommended, do it so that we can all stay out here on the road longer and safer. So, enjoy watching this one.
What you're going to do is loose the screw for the oil pan, and you're going to slide this underneath to catch your oil. This is your oil catcher. This is your boat. Don't unleash your oil. Let your oil drip out. So you take your,
Why don't we use C? And he's stringing along the wire.
take this,
There we go.
put it on here.
Where went? Oh, right there. I hit it, but it keeps going through it.
Just tighten and turn this
This
away.
one, I'm gonna throw it in your
Put it back.
This is a weapon.
That's going to loosen
Oh,
it.
you threw the whole gun? Give me it. I had it long time. Oh, you go ahead.
Righty tight.
Is that him?
Righty tight, lefty loosen.
No, maybe that's him. He's sitting on the web chilling, crossing
we gotta
his
go
legs,
to-
probably. She making a video?
Yeah. We can't get it loose. So now we have it loose. flow freely.
Okay, like throw it!
So now,
Maybe because it's a
God
special
damn it.
spider.
Oh shit.
Maybe I'm gonna look that up.
You got
Oh,
it in
it's
there.
not a cannibal!
What we're gonna do is put your screw back in your oil pan. Okay.
Okay, alright.
Now, once we do that, then we're gonna loose your oil filter. We're gonna slide this back over here to catch your oil from the oil filter. These damn things supposed to be hand tightened. All wrench. To loose your filter. Right. Because it's too hard to put you on there, goddammit. Turn it. That's all we need.
That's all we needed.
All we needed is a little
Encouragement.
now we're going to put in the new oil filter. What we're going to do is hand tighten. That's all we need. What you're going to do, take a little bit of oil off, rub it around. He is learning how to put the air filter in the car. Wow. I'll be damned. Go ahead, mechanic. Ooh-wee. Tighten the screws back up.
What if it was still alive and it was actually
I'm filming you.
Filming us?
Yeah.
Hello, guys. Hello to the future.
Now we're back to our oil changing lesson. Sweet, sweet, fresh oil.
I'm gonna need you to write down your mileage. Now, you already put in what's that? 5 quart. So we're gonna check it. I just wiped it off. Put it back in. Pull it out. And you look. It's full. Now we got an extra quart.
Just in case.
Just in case.
I don't like it from tonight.
Always. Go ahead and back on down. Fine. Alright, what we're gonna do? Spray this on there. gotta move the block. Gravy. Only made in South Carolina.
Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got.